Hari Om Sarvebhyah. Spoken Sanskritam by Surya. Today we learn how to ask questions in Sanskritam. Same thing I will repeat in Sanskrit. Adya vayam Samskrite prashna rupani patamaha. They are called Saptakakaraha. Saptakakaraha iti uchyate. They are called Saptakakaraha. 7 kakaraha, because all the questions are starting with ka. Kim, they are kim, kutra, kati, kada, kutaha, katham, kimardham. They are the 7 questions, question forms, prashna rupani. Now I'll begin with the first one. What? We say what? What do you want? What is your name? For that, kim. Bhavataha nama kim? Bhavatyaha nama kim? Bhavati kim karoti? Kim karoti? What are you doing? Bhavati kim karoti? Bhavan kim karoti? Then, what do you want? Kim avashyakam? Kim avashyakam? What do you want? What is there in the bag? Syute kim asti? Kim? Syute, that means in the bag. Syute means in the bag. Only for bag, syutaha. Syutaha is the word. Prathama vibhakti. Syute means in the bag. What is there in the bag? Syute kim asti? What are you looking? Kim pashyati? Bhavati kim pashyati? Bhavan kim pashyati? Bhavati kim shrunoti? Bhavan kim shrunoti? Shrunoti means listening. What are you looking? Kim pashyati? What are you listening? Kim shrunoti? Then what happened? Kim abhavat? What happened? Kim abhavat? What is he doing? Saha kim karoti? Saha, he. What is he doing? Saha kim karoti? Next one is kutra. Where? Where is the bag? Where are you? For that, kutra. Kutra means where. Himalayaha kutra santi? Where are the Himalayas? Himalayaha kutra santi? Samskrita Bharatyaha Karyalayah kutra asti? Samskrita Bharatyaha Karyalayah kutra asti? Where is Samskrita Bharati's office? Then Bhavatyaha Gruham kutra asti? Bhavatyaha Gruham. Gruham means house. Where is your house? Bhavatyaha Gruham kutra asti? Bhavataha Gruham kutra asti? Vidyalayah kutra asti? Devalayah kutra asti? Vastra apanaha kutra asti? Kutra is the question. Kutra, where? Ganeshaha kutra gacchati? Ganeshaha, name of a boy. Ganeshaha kutra gacchati? Where is Ganesha going? Lekhani kutra asti? Lekhani pen. Lekhani kutra asti? Pustakam kutra asti? Mapika kutra asti? Mapika means scale. Mapika kutra asti? So like this we can form a question. Kutra. The next one is kati. Kati means how many. Number. How many. Kati. Akashe kati nakshatrani santi. Akashe means in the sky. Akashe kati nakshatrani santi. How many stars are there in the sky? Kati samudraha santi. How many samudraha? Samudra means sea. How many seas are there? Kati samudraha santi. Anantaram. Nadyaha. Nadyaha. Nadi means ekam. Nadi. River. Nadi means river. How many rivers are there? Kati nadyaha santi. Kati nadyaha. Nadi ekvachanam. Nadi nadyau nadyaha. Nadyaha means rivers. Bahuvachanam. Kati prakoshtaha santi. Prakoshtaha room. Prakoshtaha means room. Kati prakoshtaha santi. Kati means already we know number of things. Many. More than 2. Kati varam vadami. Kati varam vadami. Varam means times. Varam means times. How many times should I tell you? How many times should I tell you? Kati varam vadami. Udyane kati vrukshaha santi. Udyane. Udyane means in the park. In the park. Udyane kati vrukshaha santi. Udyane, how many trees are there? Syute kati pustakani santi. Syute, in the bag. How many books are there? How many books are there in the bag? Syute kati pustakani santi. Anantaram. Mase kati dinani. Mase. Mase means in a month. In a month, how many days are there? Mase kati dinani santi. Varshe kati masaha santi. Varshe means in an year. Varshe kati masaha santi. Masaha ekavachanam. Masaha bahuvachanam. Kati masaha santi. Saptahe kati dinani santi. Saptahe. Saptahe means in a week. In a week, how many days are there? Saptahe kati dinani santi. The next one is kada. Kada means when. When. Kada. Bhavan pratah kada uttishtati. Bhavan pratah kada uttishtati. When do you get up in the morning? Pratah, morning. Bhavan, you. Bhavan pratah kada uttishtati. When do you get up in the morning? Mama gruham kada agamishyati. Mama gruham, my house. Mama gruham kada agamishyati. When will you come? When will you come to my house? Mama gruham kada agamishyati. Karyakramah kada bhavishyati. Karyakramah, program. Karyakramah kada bhavishyati. Kada asti. Asti means it is there. Karyakramah, program. When is the program? So for that, Karyakramah kada bhavishyati. Anantaram, kutaha. Another question is kutaha, from where? Kutaha, small word. From where? भवान् कुतः आगच्छति? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? कुतः आगच्छति? अयं कटः कुतः आनीतवती? अयं कटः, अयं means this. Kataha, this mat, I am kataha. Kataha, kutaha anitavati? From where did you bring? Anitavati, bringing. Anitavan, pullingam. Because kataha is pullingam. Kataha, Ramaha, like that you remember. Kataha is pullingam. Then kutaha anitavati, I am saying. Anitavati means bhavati anitavati. Bhavati anitavati. Bhavati kutaha anitavati. From where are you bringing this mat? Kataha means mat. From kutaha, from where? Anitavati. Bhavati anitavati. Suppose we want to say, ask a person, a man means what we ask. Ayam kataha kutaha anitavan? Bhavan anitavan? Bhavati anitavati? Bhavati anitavati? Bhavati anitavati? Bhavan anitavan? Bhavan kataha kutaha anitavan? Bhavati kutaha anitavati? Remember that. Then yutakam. Yutakam means shirt. Yutakam, shirt. Yutakam kutaha anitavati? Yutakam kutaha anitavati? From where did you bring the shirt? Asandaha. Asandaha means chair. Asandaha kutaha anitavati? From where did you bring the chair? Asandaha. Kutaha anitavati? From where did you bring the chair? Panchalika. Panchalika means a doll. Baby plays with a doll. So the doll is called Panchalika. Panchalika means doll. Where did you buy the doll? Or from where did you bring the doll? Kutaha Panchalikam anitavati? Kutaha anitavati? Kutaha, from where? Kridanakam. Kridanakam means any toy. Children play with toys. So Kridanakam. Kridanakam ekavachanam, one. Kridanakani, many. So many means Kridanakani. Pushpam ekam, pushpam ekam. Pushpani, many flowers. Pushpani. Patram. Patram means paper or leaf, one leaf. Patram. Patrani, many leaves. So Kridanakam. Kridanakam kutaha anitavati? Bhavati Kridanakam kutaha anitavati? Bhavan Kridanakam kutaha anitavan? Bhavan anitavan? Bhavati anitavati? Next question is katham, how? Katham, how? Bhavati katham asti? Bhavati katham asti? Bhavan katham asti? How are you? For how are you, we are saying Bhavati katham asti? Bhavan katham asti? Another. Natika katham asti? Natika means drama. Natika katham asti? Nrutyam katham asti? Nrutyam means dance. Dance. Nrutyam katham asti? Ganam. Ganam means singing, songs. song. Kathamasti, song. Kathamasti, song. How is the song? Ganam kathamasti. How is the song? Then Gruham kathamasti. How is the house? Pathashala kathamasti. How is the school? Pathashala, school. How is the school? Pathashala kathamasti. Bhavati kadham gacchati. How do you go? Bhavati kadham gacchati. How do you go? Bhavan katham gacchati. Bhavan katham gacchati. You. Bhavan means you, Pullinge. Next question is Kimardham. Why? Kimardham. Why? Vatse Kimardham na vadati. Vatse Kimardham na vadati. Why are you not speaking? Vatse means we are addressing a small girl. Vatse. Vatsa, small boy. Vatsa Kimartham na vadati. Vatse Kimartham na vadati. Why are you not talking? Kimartham jalam pibati. Kimartham jalam pibati. Kimartham jalam na pibati. Why are you not drinking water? Jalam na pibati. Why? Kimartham jalam na pibati. Why are you not drinking water? Why? Kimartham jalam pibati. Why are you drinking water? Na means no. And then Kimartham annam na khadati. Kimartham annam na khadati. Why are you not eating rice? Kimartham na pathati. Why are you not reading? Kimartham na ichchati. Why don't you like? Kimartham na ichchati. Ichcha means desire. Ichcha means desire, liking. So, Kimartham na ichchati. Why don't you like it? Kimartham saha hasati. Why he is laughing? Saha kimartham hasati. Why he is laughing? These are the 7 question forms with examples. I'll stop now and we'll meet again. Punar milamaha. Jaitu Sanskritam, Jaitu Bharatam.